Hello guys, in this 14th segment we're going to now kind of launch and you see at least how our endpoints, two endpoints, that is where let us look at our two endpoints for the shop. We have to see how these two endpoints are really coming out, the add, which is a post, and then the get. So we want to add a shop item, then we get it out of the database. So if you want to launch a quarkus application, you can go to your terminal and run quarkus dev, or you just go to here on the sides where you have your Maven dependencies, then go to the plugins and click on the quarkus drop down. You will see quarkus div in the list. Double click this and it will run the div automatically. So now it's time to see how this thing is coming out. Let's first pause this one. It's attempting to run. Okay, just a few minutes. I should be able to output our application at port 880. Is it breaking? Is it what? Oh, it's breaking. Don't worry. Let's restart the application again and then run it again. Trying to open our project again. Oh, okay, unexpected error, which is okay, no worries. At least it has opened. So back to our Maven shop plugin. Just like before, go to quarkus, then look for quarkus dev, double click it to automatically start off to run. has started to run. Let's see where it can really be. So our goal here is to make sure that this project is run successfully. Wow, I don't know why this keeps on stopping, but